Smart water is about improving access to safe clean water for communities affected by humanitarian crises. Delivering water and sanitation services during emergencies is difficult work. Social, economic, leadership and governance structures may be weakened or absent as a result of a conflict or natural disaster. This can create enormous operational challenges. Ensuring equitable water access requires good information, which is often lacking during a humanitarian response, particularly where insecurity restricts access and oversight. The humanitarian community is also being challenged to be more accountable, both to the communities we aim to serve and the donors who fund us. Application of IoT or smart technologies is a key tool to addressing this problem, and through better data, improving water access for the most needy people. Currently, water data is typically captured manually and on an ad hoc basis through pump operator logbooks, chlorine residual testing, household surveys, user complaints, or visual observations, for example when reservoirs are empty or overflowing. Information can be consolidated, transferred to digital format and retrospectively analysed, but this only identifies problems after the event. It may inform future improvements, but it can't compensate people who have been deprived of their right to water and suffered as a result. Real-time information from a smart water network will address this, enabling immediate action to be taken to rectify problems. Oxfam is collaborating with UNHCR, which itself started trials of IoT technologies in 2017 and to date has set up LoRaWAN networks in refugee camps in 6 different countries. So how does it work? A long-range, wide-area network, or LoRaWAN, is a low-cost, low-power mobile communication system for data sharing. A smart water system can automatically collect and transmit information on pump performance, energy use, reservoir storage, water flows in different parts of the network, and water consumption, all in real time, thereby enabling remote analysis and quick decision making. Automated alerts can identify when and where problems occur and facilitate remedial action. This could be turning a pump on or off, adjusting the chlorine dosing rate, or opening control valves to ensure sufficient water is available in all networks. Significantly, this analysis can be done remotely. Smart taps, commonly referred to as water ATMs, are a key part of a smart water solution. Oxfam has rolled out smart taps in multiple countries including Kenya, South Sudan and Bangladesh in partnership with local water service providers. This has resulted in tangible improvements in reducing non-revenue water and improving revenue generation. User feedback has been equally positive, as automated taps can increase the opening hours and improve customer trust and confidence. Oxfam has started extending this to refugee camps in Uganda, with the aim that lifeline tariffs will ensure all refugees and every household, through their unique user tag, will receive a basic free water entitlement, with additional water and water for surrounding host communities being chargeable. Currently, knowing how much water is actually being delivered and to who can be a challenge. Whilst delivering water and sanitation services during emergencies is difficult work, the transition from emergency to post-emergency is arguably even more challenging. During an emergency response, because of the humanitarian imperative to provide rapid access to life-saving services, water is often provided free of charge and delivered with minimal participation of national or local government, who may be sidelined, unwilling or unable to assume responsibility. As the situation stabilises, it is essential to engage with these stakeholders and hand over assets and management responsibility. A joint Oxfam and UNHCR study on improving the transition towards sustainable, locally managed water supplies highlighted that humanitarian agencies are weak in asset management and have a poor understanding of the actual long-term operational costs of supplying water. It's therefore not surprising that there is a reluctance from local authorities or service providers to assume ownership. A smart water system aims to address this. Better data will lead to a better understanding of the system, and through this knowledge, improved operation and maintenance, better asset management, and better financial planning. The individual components of a smart water approach have all been successfully field trialled. But bringing all this smart technology together at scale in a humanitarian context and using it to develop water schemes which are operationally, financially, socially and environmentally sustainable is still a concept, but work that Oxfam plans to take forward in the months and years ahead with its partners and other like-minded organisations.